Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Let's take a look at Amazon and Google on the daily time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up. It's $30 a month, or come down here in the bottom right-hand corner and click on my YouTube channel and become a subscriber, guys. Down in here. So this is what we do with my members. I look at charts like this. I do daily videos of the SPY and all that stuff. I tell you guys where support is. I tell you guys where resistance is. So let's go over these charts before earnings. And earnings, guys, it's a casino. That's what it is. It's a 50-50 shot whether stocks are going up or stocks are going down. They have good earnings. They usually go up. Apple went down on pretty good earnings. Tesla pulled back on pretty good earnings. We've been up and away. That's something you got to look at. And now looking at the charts, daily time frame, we were 136.68 up on the day, a little bit up after hours, 4.1 million shares traded and 4.26% green on the day. A great day for Amazon today, guys. But we're into the 750 retrace, this blue line. We're into the descending trend line. And that's pretty much where we came up, and that's where we've been stopping right now. We pull back. The MAs, or moving averages, are holding this up. We go right back up, guys. And that's as well as when the SPY sold last week, we were into pretty good support, expecting a bounce on Monday. And we got it. I made a video over the weekend for my members saying, hey, watch for a bounce on Monday with the SPY. We got a pretty good rally today, guys. All right, but Amazon, though, we're right there. But going into earnings, if you have a trade on this, please don't go all in. It's all about money management. You could play these. Again, it's get on the crap table, roll the dice, see what we get. It's pretty much, hey, am I willing to risk some money out there on a 50-50 bet? Because it's flipping a coin, guys. So we're at the 750. We're at the 33.50 area, guys. Another good area of resistance. So really, they're going to gap it up or try, depending on the markets too. Actually, I don't even know what the futures are right now. I'm going to have to open them up. But if the futures are down or we go down, this has a good possibility of moving lower. If the markets go higher tomorrow, this has a good possibility of going higher. It's called a market trade. SPY higher, this mostly higher. Q's higher, Amazon, Google, pretty much higher. Unless they have some issues or somebody, pretty much knows something. Because just like GameStop, guys, come on, somebody's doing something over there, and the hedge funds don't like it. It's pretty funny stuff. But Amazon, though, daily time frame, it's okay. Bullish, though, you got to get above 3,500. You got to get above 3,550 and then make a break for 3,600, 3,700. I think around 3,750, if it gets up there, you're going to have some pretty good resistance. And then honestly, 4,000. And you'll get resistance at 3,500, 3,600, 3,700, all the round numbers. But ultimately, it's 3,750 and then 4,000 if it goes higher. Now, if this one breaks down off this pennant pattern, we're at the highs. Maybe tomorrow we gap up a little bit and then it starts to fade maybe. Who knows? But overhead resistance right here is pretty big. Again, they're going to have to gap this shit up and then push it on its way. All right, if we break down, we got to get below the moving averages and then get through this trend line. All right, and if we get there, then we'll talk about it going lower. But you usually target, if we do, it'll be the 200 MA and then double bottom down here around 2,900. So either way, we can make big moves, or it might be a non-event. Who knows? We'll know more tomorrow. How about that? All right, Google. Google, same thing. Daily time frame, same kind of pattern, guys. You got the pennant, you got the highs, you got the low channel, and it's right in the middle here, towards the high. We were at the middle a little bit here, held the moving averages, but this one, daily time frame, 65.71 up on the day, 10.24 up after hours. 2 million? Yeah, 2 million shares traded, 3.60% green on the day. So it was a great day for Google, great day for Amazon. A little bit stretched from the 20 MA, so you got to look for that. Let's pull up the monthly. I just want to see. Yeah, we're stretched. Look at that stuff, guys. And then we're in the channel. Jeez. These are ready to come crashing down, to be, in my opinion. But again, it's earnings. We could fly. I'd watch 2,000, 2,100 if it pops. All right, if you're bullish, you got to get above the trend line and get above these highs. All right, you get above there, then you go into 2,000, 2,100. If it does start to slip, then watch 1,850, okay? And even 1,900 here if it doesn't gap up. It looks like it might, but until it opens tomorrow, I have no idea what the stimulus is going to be tomorrow. It might be off the table, markets pull down. If it's on the table, markets go up. That's what they're trying to do at least. And this one here, I have no Fibonacci levels. What I would do, I'd take them off of these lows here, right in this area. I'm going to pull it back though a little bit just so you can see the levels. So we're above the 750, but if we do come down, if we do, you're looking at the 20 and the 50 MA and then the trend line. All right, that's going to be the bigger areas, and then 1750, 1700. If it's coming down with velocity, the markets pick up with volume, then you're probably looking at 150, 200. And then you're looking at 22,000, 2100. Either way, I'm on this one. With earnings, if it goes up, I'll short it. If it goes down, I'll look for buy the dip. You know, that's pretty much what you have to do. And I'll try to get in, try to get out. I might hold a position. We'll see. My goal is to get in, get out, make the money, and move on with earnings. If this keeps going higher, then great. I'll look for areas to short, or I'll look for pullbacks to go long, guys. I don't care. Either way, if it comes back down here and we start hitting these good areas of support, markets start to bounce, we fill the gap. You know, I'm looking for support and resistance, guys. Gap fills, moving averages, trend lines, Fibonacci levels, round numbers. You know, all that stuff matters, guys. So if you can line a bunch of those up, you know, from different time frames, time frame alignment, guys, that's how you get a good trade out there. All right, and this is what I do for my members, guys. $30 a month. Come by, check us out. We had about 100 trades in January, 9 losers, 6 open, and like 85 winners. I got to look at it again. Something crazy. But we do a lot of short calls, short puts too. We're killing those. So if you like the short calls or right puts, I'm your guy. We've been rolling with those guys, rolling. So that's going to be it for this one. Be careful with earnings. We have another couple weeks with big names coming up. Then we'll have retail. We'll have this. We'll have that. So just go slow through these times, guys. A lot of stuff. We have Biden that just got in, so slow and steady. Take profits, guys. Long or short, I don't care which way. Just take profits when you have winners. Bottom line. All right, I'll leave you with that, but thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe down here in the bottom corner. Check out StockBookie.com, $30 a month, guys. Give it a shot. All right, and then I'll give you setups like this. And when this thing goes off, Google or Amazon, I'm looking for areas to short. I'm looking for areas to catch bounces after hours if you like to do those plays as well. I do share positions, get in, get out, make that, you know, couple thousand, couple hundred, whatever it is. I don't care. It's a couple $100 I didn't have 30 minutes ago. So, all right, guys, thanks again. Have a great evening. God bless. See you on the charts.